So this is lesson number 7, and we will explain in this lesson what the function Matplotlib subplot, how this subplots function works. So it's very simple. It says that plot.sub plots, and we have now here the number of rows, and we have now number of columns. And this the two integer argument to this function specifies the number of rows, which is here, the number of columns, which is here, and the function returns a figure object and a tuple containing axis object equal to number of rows and number of columns. Each axis object is accessible by its index. Here we will create a subplot of 2 rows and 2 columns and display 4 different plots in each subplot. So let's get started. I will start by import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and after that we have the figure, and we have, or maybe we will import first numpy as nb, and after that we will say that figure, this is the figure object, and this is the tuple which we will use later, tuple of axis. And we will say that plt.subplots 2 columns and 2 rows, what we have here. And let's say we have plt.subplots 2 columns 2 rows, and we have the x-axis, we have nb.arrange, range from 1 to 5. So first axis will be like this, tuple like this, dot plot x-axis and x multiplied by x like this, and this axis we will set title to be square, and we can copy this one and paste 3 more times. So we have now here, let's rearrange it to be like this. So we have 1 0, maybe 0 1 0 1 like this, and we have 1 0 like this, and we have 1 and 1 like this. So we have 4 axes, and maybe name it to be square root, and maybe exponential like this. Maybe the first will be the log. So this will be numpy nb.log10 of x. This will be different item, will be numpy.exponential of x, and this one will be the square root, so nb.square root sqrt of x. And finally we will plot.show like this. After that we have the ability to run this. So we have the square, which is here, square root, which is here. We have the exponential, and you have this one, which is the log. You can change it from 1 to 10 and 0.5 like this. Let's rerun again. So we have increased the steps like this, maybe 1 to 50 and 0.1 like this, and let's rerun. We have this exponential, we have the log, we have the square, and this is the square root. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. See you in the next lesson.